Jay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Jay, please read bit F.
Okay. What is the fraction of each of the following? Write in the boxes given below.
Okay, good. What is the fraction of each of the following? Write in the boxes given below. So now we have to write the fraction for each of the following. So first one is
Trees.
trees. Now to write fraction for trees, first of all, we should know how many trees are there. How many trees are there, Jay?
5.
5. So what we will do, we will write this 5 at the top. Okay. Now, Jay, tell me total how many shadows are there?
How many shadow?
Yes. Total how many shadows are there? Count.
1, 2, 3, 5.
You have to count all the shadows together.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
How many trees are there?
1, 5.
How many fish?
5.
5. Okay. How many animals?
6.
6. Good. Okay. How many winter bears?
4.
4. So now count 5 plus 7, 5 plus 6. How much?
5 plus 6.
Yeah.
20.
5 plus 6 is 20. Is it?
11.
11. 11 plus 5?
16.
16 plus 4?
20.
Yes. So total number of shadows are 20 in number. So what we will do, we will draw a small line below this 5.
20 130.
And below this
Purasika.
line, now we will write 20, 20. Now, Jay, read this fraction and tell me what is the fraction?
5 out of 20.
5 upon 20 or 5 by 20?
I accounted.
5 upon 20 or 5 by 20. Okay, this is correct. Devansh? Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Devansh. Now, what is next bit? Read that word. What is that?
Animals.
Animals. Okay, how many animals are there? Count shadows of animals. 6. So what we will do?
Baby subtract.
Subtract. We have to write the fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
So number of animals are 6. So what we will do? We will write
6.
6. Okay. Then what we'll do?
Give me my line.
We'll draw a small line, and then below this line, what we will write?
We will write a number.
Which number? Total number of shadows. So how?
Ma'am, 20. Ma'am, 20.
Yes, we will write here 20 because total number of shadows are 20. So what is the fraction?
Ashok.
Devansh, read this fraction quickly.
Animals and fish.
Devansh, I said read this fraction. What is the answer?
6 dash 20.
6 upon 20, or you can say 6 by 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, read it again.
6 upon 20.
Yeah, 6 upon 20, or you can say 6 by 20. You all should know how to read the fraction. Ashrit Rao, unmute yourself. Ashrit. Ashrit, am I audible to you? Ashrit Rao, am I audible to you? Hanvika, unmute yourself. Hanvika, how many fish are there? Hanvika, you are also not audible. I know what's the issue. You are not audible. Supratik,
Yes, ma'am.
how many fish are there? Turn the page, Supratik, and tell me how many fish are there.
Ma'am. Five, ma'am.
5. So we have to write fraction for fish. So what we will write first? How many fish are there?
Five fishes, ma'am.
Not fishes, fish. Okay, that's wrong. Fishes is wrong. It's a printing mistake. Okay, so we will write 5 first. Then what we will do? We have to write fraction here. So we will draw a small line below this 5. Now, Supratik, tell me total number of shadows. Total, how many shadows are there?
20, ma'am.
You have to count all the shadows together. So there are 20 shadows. So we'll write 20 below the line. Now, what is the fraction, Supratik? Read that.
5 divided by 22.
We will not read it as 5 divided by 22. We will read it as 5 by 20, or you can read it as 5 upon 20. What is that?
5 upon of 20.
Not of, 5 upon 20. Say,
Ma'am,
repeat.
5 upon of 20.
Of will not come. 5 upon 20.
5 upon 20.
Yes, that's 5 upon 20. Of is not there. Okay. Now last one, winter wears. Anik, Sai, unmute yourself. Anik. Anik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anik, last one. What is that?
1 minute, ma'am.
Anik, please read the last word. Yes, please read it, Anik. Anik. Anik, Sai, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell me what is the last word? What is last bit?
Thanks.
Huh?
Thanks.
Anik, do you know we are on which page? Anik, what is the page number? First you tell me that.
70.
17, and which question?
Excursion, ma'am.
And which bit? Yes, I'm asking you. Tell me quickly.
What, ma'am?
Tell me which bit. I asked you to read that word, but you are not reading that word. Why? Yes, children, please note down answer for last bit. It's 4 upon 20. AVK Ganesh, unmute yourself and please read all these fractions. 4 fractions are there on your screen. Please read them one by one.
5 upon 20.
Okay, very good. Are they unmute yourself and read these fractions one by one quickly?
Okay, ma'am. 5 by 20, 6 by 20, 5 by 20, 4 by 20.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for reading. Aliza, unmute yourself and read these fractions quickly.
Yes, ma'am. 5 by 20, 6 by 20, 5 by 20, 4 by 20.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for reading. Yes, children, you all should know how to read the fractions. Again and again, I'm repeating this thing. Please, you should please learn how to read fractions. Okay, fine. So I'll clear this and we'll move ahead now. Okay, children, now come to next page. This is page number 1818 of your math codes book. Please write date and classwork on page number 18 of your math codes book. Yes, children, please write page number 1818 of your math codes book. Write date and classwork on page number 18. Okay. So the date is 15th of March. Please write date 15th of March today. And write classwork also. Okay, fine. Shreyas,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Shreyas, please read this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read this question.
Follow the
Instruction.
instructions
Instruction.
given by the teacher and
Count.
count the words
Starting.
starting with the given
Alphabets.
alphabets in your textbook.
Okay, next line.
Fill
In
fill the colors of the
columns, not colors.
columns of the following
Table.
table.
Shreyas, you need reading practice, lot of reading practice. Kindly start that. Okay, thank you, Shreyas. Thanks for reading. Okay, so this is follow the instruction given by the teacher and count the words starting with the given alphabets in your textbook. And then fill the columns of the following table. So what you all will do is, first of all, take out your math textbook, open page number 1 of your math textbook, children. Open page number 1 of your math textbook. We need your math textbook for this activity. Please open page number 1 of your math textbook. I'll show you. You all need to open this page. This is page number 1 of your math textbook. Please open this page. You have to open this page of your math textbook, okay? Page number 1. Page number 1 of your math textbook. Please open this page. You can see this page. Kindly open this page. Okay. So now what we will do, we will write few alphabets in the first column. Okay, 3 columns are there in the first table. You can see in one column alphabet is written. Then in the second column okay, wait, I'll ask someone to read. Lohit, please read what is written in the first column.
Ma'am,
What is the word written in first column of your course book? Lohit, look at your screen. What is this? Look at.
alphabet.
Yes, this is alphabet. Okay, fine. Now in second column, what is that? Read.
Second column, count of words starting with that alphabet.
Count of words starting with that alphabet. Okay, now third column.
Count of word
Of bar graph.
of paragraph to be filled by the teacher.
Okay, count of bar graph to be filled by the teacher. Okay, Lohit, thank you. Thanks for reading. Fine. Now, children, first of all, we will write here some alphabets. Okay, we can. I'll tell you, and you will write only those alphabets in the first column. Fine. Okay. Let's say first one is A. Write letter. Okay. Write here capital A. Okay. Then next one you can write E. Then next you can write P. Next you can write S. Then you could write here T. And then last one you can write O. Write these 6 alphabets quickly. Okay, so now what we will do is we will count the words on page number 1 which are starting with alphabet A. Okay, so you have to count and tell me how many words starts with letter A on page number 1 of your math textbook. P. Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, P. Shreyan, please count and tell me how many words start with letter A on page number 1 of your math textbook. Count and tell me.
This
First, look for the words which starts with letter A on page number 1. No. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Yes, page number 1. This is the same page, P. Shreyan. Please count and tell me how many words are there. Starting with letter A. Yes, children, you also have to count.
words.
Yes, Shreyan, how many?
Not understand.
Not understand.
Okay. On page number 1 of your math textbook, you have to see how many words starts with letter A. Like you can see, it's written in green color. I look ahead. Ahead word starts with letter A. So this is the one word. Like this. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am. One.
P.
One.
One, ma'am.
Yes, there is only one word which starts with letter P on page number 1. That is place. Very good, Ashwita. So we will write P in third row of second column. We will write P. Okay, that's correct. Good. Aliza,
Yes, ma'am.
now letter is S. Count how many
S.
words are there on page number 1, starting with letter S. Yes, how many are there?
Ma'am, two.
Very good, that's correct. 2 words are there which starts with letter A. Sorry, letter S. Good. Yes, Supratik.